To say that God allows you to co-actualize the world with Him is not to say that your free choices are outside of God's control. If God has middle knowledge, then He knows exactly what every free person would freely do in any circumstances in which He places them. So by placing certain people in certain circumstances, He can achieve His ends through the free decisions of persons, not in spite of them. So suppose God knew that if you were in certain circumstances, you would freely choose pizza for lunch, then by putting you in those circumstances and leaving you free to make that decision, He knows exactly what you're going to do. You're going to choose the pizza. And so in that sense, He's still sovereign. He's still in control, even though He brings about His ends through your free decision to eat pizza for lunch that day.